Scary here, unboxing. This is the fourth item. This was found on Walmart.com. It was a Distortions Unlimited prop, brand new, and so let's get to it. Alright, if you couldn't read that thing, this is called Twisted from Distortions. So let's get this thing out of the box. Alright, so we can see there's the metal, which has got to be the bottom. We have some legs. It was all wrapped in this. Here's a face. And her face looks a lot like the Scary Carrie I already have, but awesome. Anyway, you know, I love Scary Carrie and she loves me, but don't tell anyone. So we're just gonna set her up. So, here we go. So she comes folded with her legs up. You pull them down. Alright guys, so I love her PJs. I think they're awesome. Plugging her in, let's see if we need to activate anything or if it just works. So she's plugged in. Oh, and away she goes. So one thing I don't like is that as her head spins, it's spinning really fast, number one. But number two, you can see the foam in the back of her head, which in all the other videos, I did not see that. So let me see if I can take some corrective action and fix this. Alright guys, so there is a speed control, but this is the slowest. You know, I guess I could try and turn it down one more and see what happens. But it was just sitting there, so I don't know if it will do its thing if I put it on the slowest. And the thing I don't like I just said, is that the back of the head is not painted, which is kind of like a bummer since you see the whole thing as it spins. So that's not cool. I wonder if it got forgotten to be painted, or what. Like if the shirt's supposed to go up higher. I don't know. I have to play with it a little bit, but it's kind of a disappointment to be honest with you. But she looks pretty cool sitting on her barrel with her little feet, her hands, and her face. So let me go back there and see if I can. Alright, so this is at the slowest. So, see if she does anything. Because that would make it kind of cool if she, like, all of a sudden twitches. And that would actually be cooler than her head just constantly spinning. I wonder if I replace the controller, or replace the plug with a controller, if I can find a speed that works better than what came on board this. But you plug it in the back, and there's a little knob on there, and you adjust the knob. So we will have to wait till September when I set this up to see if I can make her do what I want her to do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. E.G. Scary, out.